Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add clickable link in Canva PPT. In simple, how to add clickable link in Canva presentation. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just open your Canva presentation. As you can see, I've opened right over here. Now go on the left side, click on text, and here click on add a text box. Alright. Now write whatever you want. So I'm gonna write my channel name. Okay, you can also change the font type if you want. So I'm gonna go and select bolder. Alright, now if you want to increase the font size, you can increase or decrease it by going over here. Now click on the font, click on these three dots, and here click on link. Alright, you have to put your link over here. So I'm gonna go and put my YouTube link into the box and click on done, as you can see. Now let's download this PPT. So just go on top right corner, click on share, click on download, and here click on this drop down arrow and select PPTX Microsoft PowerPoint document. Okay, now I'm going to download this one page. You can download custom or all the pages. So click on one page and click on download. Now as you can see, I've opened this presentation on Microsoft PowerPoint and my link is working properly fine. So whenever someone will click on this link, they will be redirected to this YouTube video. So that's it for the video. Thanks for